What's up, mini truckers? Ben here, Houston Mini Trucks. I was gonna show you, I got the Honda Acty van with the fog lights, and both of the lights weren't working, so I thought maybe it's the fuse, but I ended up pulling one of them out and testing it with the voltmeter, and it's getting power. So I've got these bulbs. I've got to get I got one back in, and I'll show you how to do this one real quick. So these are the pieces of the housing. The bulb sits in here, and it's kind of locked in with this piece. And then this is a real glass. It's not a plastic piece, so be careful with that. And it's got a little rubber seal. This white piece is a seal. Okay. So these were my old bulbs, and they're called H3. Let me show you what they look like. It's a 12 volt. This one is an 85 watt, but the new ones are 55 watts, I think. Which I'm looking at the housing is only rated for 55. So the way this works, they have the positive lead here, and then the negative lead attaches to this piece right there. Okay, and don't touch the bulb with your bare hands because the oils can get on there, so we'll get some gloves on and I'll show you that. We really shouldn't even have to touch the bulb, but it only sits in this little housing one way. You can see how it's arched and it's got a little flat spot. Okay, so that's where the negative lead's gonna go. It just uses the tension of these being under here to hold the light in. If you've got this far, you know, get the one screw, and then we'll get this other screw, and that's what holds the housing on. So this is held in place by this metal shroud. So there we go, we got the bulbs. Nice yellow color, that's what you want, cut through that fog. So I'm excited, and it didn't cost much. I think those bulbs were like $6 for the pair. I got them on eBay, and hopefully that helps. You know, don't get discouraged. Sometimes on these old cars, it's just the bulbs are burnt out. So the odds of both bulbs being burnt out, I didn't think was likely. So I started with the fuses, and before I got any further, I said, well, let me just check. So I pulled one of the assemblies off, and they're not that easy to remove since it was kind of old and a little bit stuck together. But back in good shape, and I'll keep you posted any other updates. Have a good one.